Hello, thank you for joining us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export this document. We have these two documents. We have Chifuati Mokwa NASPA Alumni Album. This one is document 1. Okay, this is our document 1. Okay, then this is our document 2. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export these two documents as one PDF file, or as a presentation as one PDF file. So with the document 1, before you do this, there are certain things you should ensure before you can do this. First of all, you should ensure that the resolutions are equal, and also you should ensure that the page, the size of the document 2 are the same. So with document 1, as you can see, when I go to image, then image size, the image size here is 7.89, 10.513, resolution is 300. Okay, because we are going to print this, we are using 300 resolution. If you are not going to print it and it is a online image or something, you can use 72 as your resolution. Okay, you can watch that on my videos. How you understand more about resolution in Photoshop. Okay, so you can watch it from my videos, and from here you can see that we have all this. Okay, then let's go to document 2. This document 2. With document 2, what I will do is I'll go to image, then I'll check the image size. You can see that the image size here is 7.89, then 10.53. The resolution here is 300. So the image size is the same as the image size for document 1. Okay, the resolution 2 are the same. After that, you have to save this one. So mine, I save it as a TIFF file. So you can see the extension here, TIFF. You can also save it as PDF. Sorry, PSD. So you press Ctrl Shift S and make sure that you save it in the same document. So my document, and you come here, you see I have a lot of projects. So these are the projects I have done. So you see that I've saved them here. So Chifuati Mokwa NASPA album 2021. So this one I save it as TIFF. This is the one, and this is the 2. So make sure you save it in the same folder. Okay, save it in the same folder, and then you can save it as PSD, or you can save it as TIFF. So this is document 1, and then this is document 2. So I've already saved that, so I'm not going to overwrite it. Then you go to document 2, save that one too in the same folder that you saved the document 1. Okay, you save that one too over there. So that one too, if you save it as PSD here, make sure that you save it as PSD for document 2 as well. If you save the document 1 as a TIFF, make sure you save the document 2 also as a TIFF. Okay, so I'm not going to save it. Now we are almost done. So what we do is go to File, then go to Automate, then go to PDF presentation. With the PDF presentation, what we are going to do is we are going to import our files. We are going to add our files. Okay, so we are going to save it as multi-page document. We can also save it as presentation, but we are going to save it as multi-page document. So I'll go to browse, then I'll go and find where my document is, and it's already open. So the first page should come first. So the first page is this one. This one will come first. Okay, then I'll add another one, and then this is document. Okay, now I'm done. So you can either include the file name, when you are saving it. Okay, or we can also include the title, the author, the copyright, anything, the description. We can include everything about a document, but I'm not going to add any of them. So I'll just go here and say save. Then I'll choose the place I want to save my document. I want to save it on desktop. Okay. So I'll save it as uh, UD executives. Okay, so it's a multi-page document PDF. Then I'll save it. So let's just wait. It's going to process it. So we can optimize it for fast web preview. Okay. Then we can also do it as embedded page thumbnails. Don't do anything here. Maintain the quality there. High quality print. It's cool. So we will just say save PDF and wait for a while. So it will take a while to process the documents and then save it for you. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well and subscribe, okay? Because we have a lot for you, a lot to cover. We are tackling all aspects of Photoshop, either be it graphic design, either be it video editing in Photoshop, either be it how do you call it, photography in Photoshop. All the aspects in Photoshop, we are tackling it, okay? Photo manipulation and everything. This channel focus on all of them. So do well and subscribe. Don't miss it. Ask your friends who are interested in learning Photoshop to also do well and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Let us know your comment. What do you think about our channel so that we can do better videos for you. You can also send us your requests, what you want us to uh, talk about, and we also do that. Thank you. So it has finished saved. So let me go back and check the desktop. Then let's look for UDU. So this is the PDF file. Okay, let us open it. Okay, so let me zoom it to 100%. Let me make it 50. I want everything to come. 50, 52 is small for me. Let's do it as 20 is too small. 25. So as you can see, this is our page one. It is loading. It will come, and then this is our page 2. Okay, it will come. It's taking time to load. So this is page 1, then this page 2. So you can see here page 1 and then page 2. Okay, 100%. As you can see, this is what I did. This is a work from my customer. He asked me to just insert the names and the images for him. So I use Photoshop. You can use Microsoft Office also to do this, but I prefer using Photoshop because of the clipping mask of the image. Okay, so that is all about how you can export a file in export 2 documents in Photoshop. Okay, as a PDF file or as a presentation. Thank you for watching and don't miss any of our tutorials. I love you. Bye bye.